Okay, so real quick, I want to answer this question. Many people are asking, how can I meditate? Well, meditation is an ancient science, an ancient practice, and we have it in different religion. We have it in Eastern religion, different religion. But apart from that, it is an ancient practice, and the major pathway of meditation, the major reason for meditation is to bring you into alignment, to make you to be in tune with your mind, your soul, and your body, so that you are in a calm state, you are in a state of alignment. And so the real way to really practice meditation, there is, first of all, you need to understand there is no hard and fast rule about meditation. And two, you need to understand that it takes practice. It's a journey. And so you must be willing to start small. When I mean start small, you should schedule maybe like 5 minutes of consistent meditation for several days. So you want to start meditating for 5 minutes every day. And when you get consistent, you can raise it to 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and so on. But then, how do you meditate? I'm going to share with you 2, 3 ways by which you can begin your meditation journey. So, first way is that you want to meditate by practicing deep breathing. And this is what I mean. So, to meditate, let's say for 5 minutes, you choose a quiet place, a quiet space, or a comfortable position where you are seated. You might lie down as well, but then it's good if you are in a calm, seated, comfortable position where you can really practice deep breathing. And while you do that, in a quiet space, you want to breathe deeply. You want to breathe in and breathe out. So for this 5 minutes, all you are doing is to just relax, to calm your mind, to release stress, to let go, to surrender. So the key word actually in meditation is surrendering. Surrendering, relaxing, and as it were, if you do this a lot, it will help you calm stress, it will help you focus, it will help you develop clarity. So it will also help you get creative and inspired. So what you want to do is you want to get seated in the quiet space and focus on deep breathing. So that's a first key. Most people just focus on deep breathing. Imagine you just focus on deep breathing. And second way to really meditate is you might want to just focus on a certain phrase. For instance, if I am trying to be more patient, I want to be a patient person, perhaps a patient parent, a patient spouse. What I want to do is I can choose the word patience. I might have written it down somewhere. Apart from writing it somewhere, I want to stay in my hour of meditation. I take a few pauses and I picture the word patience on the board and I speak it after several pauses. Maybe after 3 or 4 pauses, I say patience. So as it were, it will be as if with every drop of air, I'm breathing in patience. And as I release, as I exhale, I'm also letting go of anything that's not allowing me to be patient. Everything that is not associated with patience. Do you understand now? So if I'm trying to develop more peace or more love, I can just breathe in and focus on love. And with every breath, I just imagine me breathing in love with every hair. So notice the first example of meditation. You are really just focusing on your breathing in and breathing out, the breath of air, the clarity of air, the ease of breathing in and breathing out. And that you can take pauses, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can pace your breathing. So that is first example or a model or approach to meditation. While the second approach will be to focus on a keyword, on a virtue, on a character or something key that you want to develop or that you want to focus on. And then after every breath, maybe 2, 3 draws of air, you breathe it, you say it in your breath. You might say it loud or you might say it in your breath. Imagine you say, inner peace, inner peace. Or imagine you're focusing on abundance and you picture abundance. Abundance. abundance, or you're focusing on gratitude. So the second key is you want to focus on saying it after every draw. So the third key to meditation, or let me say the third approach, is you want to just visualize. You are practicing deep breathing, but all your attention, all your visualization is on the character, it's on the word. For some certain sects, or for believers, as a believer, sometimes I'm meditating, but meditating on a verse, on a scripture. I might be meditating on a scripture. For instance, the Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. Or I can do all things. Maybe I'm trying to build my confidence. I'm trying to build my faith. I can have a scripture. It might be a quote for you. It might be, depending on your anchor. So the key thing is to have key anchors. So the first anchor could be your breath. The second anchor could be a keyword. And third anchor could be picturing the verse or a quote which is around the character which you imagine to develop. So this way, you'll be able to cultivate meditation. And of course, it's a journey, it's a process. You can grow and evolve through it. But the key thing is starting and evolving along the way. I hope you found this helpful. And if you do, please click the subscribe button, set up the notification so that you can know when I have a new video. And of course, drop your comment. I will be reading and replying. Share, and bye for now.